Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how anyone can actually remove product from the cart. So this is the cart table, right? And from here, I'm going to add action button and let's say remove. So if anyone actually click on the remove, then the product will be actually removed from the cart. Okay, so let's go to the code editor here, and this is cart products page, right? So we'll go for the view cart. Here you can see, so this one, and here I'm going to add action. So I'm going to copy this th here and paste it here. Here I'm going to say action, let's say action, and here we are going to copy it and paste it here, and so this one will be a link, let's say, and here I'm going to say a link, here we should give a reference, so a reference will be a route. Okay, and here I will say remove, let's say. Okay, and let's check how it's look like. Let's go there, refresh. Here we have a button, but it's not look like a button, right? So let's say here that style, I'm going to say here that border, I'll say background. You can actually use here padding of, let's say, 10 pixel. Background color, I'll say red, and color should be black. Let's say white. Refresh. Here you can see we have a button here, red button, remove. So now through this we can actually remove it. Okay, so now let's give it a route in the reference here. So here I'm going to give it a route. So let's name the route as, let's say, remove cart product, let's say. Okay, products. Okay, and here we'll actually pass the ID because we need to know the specific product ID from the cart table, right? So here you can see we have a product cards table here, and here we have ID, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to say here that, okay, I want to pass the product cart ID. So I'm going to copy this variable here, and here I'm going to pass the ID from the cart table so that I can actually remove through the ID. So let's go copy this and let's go to the web.php in the route. So routes, then web.php. Here we are going to create an authenticated route, I mean with the middleware. So let's go copy this. We can actually copy this one, right? Let's paste it here. Let's cut the name from here and change the name, change the function, remove cart products, let's say, and here I will say remove, I'll actually say here remove cart products. Okay, and we have the ID in the I mean URL, so we have to actually pass it here, right? So now it will actually go for the function in the user controller. So let's go to the app, then HTTP, then controllers, then user controllers, and here we are going to actually create a function, and the function will be public function name. Here we have pass an ID, so I'm going to say $ID here, and now we'll actually mention here cart product, let's say product, and I will say product cart model : find or fail method, and here we'll pass the ID $ID, and now we just have to say remove. Okay, $cart underscore product delete function, and now we'll actually redirect back. So I will say return redirect back. That's it. So let's go refresh. Now let's say I want to remove this one, so I will say remove, and remove successfully, remove successfully, remove, done. Now let's go check. If I refresh here, so we will find here only one item. So this is how actually we can remove from the cart, right? Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching.